It is cold and it is dark. It is too early to do some skids, but alas, racetracks open earlier in America, so we're racing at 8 in the morning, so in about an hour's time. But it's not really 8 o'clock because the clock's on back, so I'm tired. But everyone else is going to be tired, so we'll probably just have a nice leisurely drive today. We'll just sort out amongst ourselves who's going to win. So yeah.
Well, I have filmed literally nothing today. So, if the pacing wasn't erratic enough already this vlog, I'd like to think I've made it significantly worse today. Weekend's done. Racing is over until like 2 weeks, so we fly back now. Let's talk about the race. The race was bloody mental. Lots of fun. I don't think I've done a sprint race that long before, so a 35-minute race. Got to about the 20-minute mark. This is what I'm used to. I was ready for bed, so I think we'll just count the result up to there. We finished 7th in the end. My radio wasn't plugged in, so I couldn't speak to the wonderful Grant West, team boss engineer extraordinaire. And I don't know if you can see from the onboard, but the way that the sun kind of was blocking your line of sight out of the final corner, I couldn't see them wave the white flag, so I didn't know it was the last lap. And you will see some terrible decision making as I push Ethan Jacobs down the straight on the last lap after he gets a bad exit, thinking we still had another lap to go. So probably could have got 5th, got 7th in the end. But in terms of a debut weekend here, I think we've given a good account of ourselves. Also, I've had loads of fun. It's been really, really good. Track's awesome, everyone here is lovely. We've got Father Keith over there with the lovely Susan West. We've got the lovely Jim Hall, pro photographer and nice man. Oh, it's Grant West, MX-5 Cup Extraordinaire. We've got the wonderful vehicle with all the sponsorinos on it. Marcello, Canada's finest, America's finest in Jim. Hello. Have we all had a nice time?
A wonderful
No. Marcello's really upset. Marcello got into a punch up after the race, started like just throwing hands at people.
Tons of fights.
You're less red than you were the other day as well.
I am. It's starting to come in a little bit.
Jim got, I can't remember any of what I filmed so far this weekend. I don't know who I've introduced, but just know that lovely Jim here got sunburnt the other day. Similarly to me, but I have a bit more protection on top of my head, which is weird because you're the hat guy normally.
I am the hat guy.
I'm a hat guy now too.
We're all hat guys.
Helmet hair gets the best of me.
Oh, dude, I know. But they didn't give you a podium hat this weekend.
So yesterday no podium hat, but today podium hats, just because they felt like the Sunday people are a little bit more special.
Oh, that's kind of that's.
I think it's a disgrace, and I think we should kick off. I think it was because. No, I'm not going to get into the politics of it. Say they won't allow me back.
Against the Commonwealth.
I didn't want to say it. I didn't want to say it.
I said it. I own it.
We put a petition on. We're going down the right channels. We're going to get this solved.
So we are, I mean, the most exciting thing this weekend is we're going to Publix later, again, for the billionth time. We didn't get to go to Cracker Barrel. Scott really wanted us to go to Cracker Barrel. He described it as the most okay food that you can have. And I feel sad to have missed out on it. I wonder if that's the RX, no, that's not the RX-8 that was at the bracket racing last night. Did I film the bracket racing? I don't think I did. I think the camera ran out. Maybe I did. So I don't really know what I'm doing. But it feels good. I'm glad to have you along for it, so thank you. Quick sort of wander around here. Grant said to me earlier, for a debut weekend, I did really well because I seemingly broke one of everything. As you can see, broke one headlight. Obviously, we cable tied the front up after some bump drafting this weekend. I've scuffed one of the wheels. I think it's that one. Well, I say I scuffed that. I'm pretty sure rear left. That might be Ethan Jacobs, which wasn't his fault because Rocco came back on track in that last race, and we had to take avoiding action, and I got clipped. So that was that, and that bent my steering out. Some nice tyre marks on the door, so it looks like a race car. Something there, that's loose. That's also loose. More marks. This wing mirror is okay. That's obviously the new wing mirror after the one yesterday half fell off and assaulted my wrist. So all in all, pretty good. Anyway, got the lovely sponsors on there. Howard BMW Mini Specialist, Comedy Specialist, Small Craft, of course W2 Motorsports, the beautiful people running the team. Pullen, don't know who that is. Tiato, who did all the stickers for us. We've got A&W Furniture, Yachtmeyer, MDT Driver Training, many things, and 3PO Electronic on the back. I don't think I've missed anyone. It'll be very embarrassing if I have, but I believe that is everyone. So thank you to them for being on the team, and also thank you guys for following along. The vlog isn't done yet. It might be done, I don't know how I'm going to edit this. But, I mean, if I'm going to Publix, you better believe you're coming along as well. Been given a basket. Oh, meat. Ooh. Look at all that juice. Might be too much juice. Dude, that's ambitious girth on those. Oh, this is Pickle Central around here. I'm loving this. Yeah, some B-roll. Yeah, I'm getting B-roll too. We're like B-roll friends, you and me, aren't we? Yeah. Well, paparazzi, gone wild.
I'm not tuned up yet.
Goodbye, Marcello. Marcello.
Lucas, fun working with you.
So, made it through security. A little bit disappointed. Dad got all touched up.
Properly touched up?
Yeah.
Like we're on first name terms?
Yeah, and he just had like a really nice personality, and I'm just kind of jealous. It's fine.